Good morning, students. Lesson number second, Ashtanga Yoga. Yoga is an ancient knowledge, means Vidya, gained through sagas and saint of India, Sant Sadhu of India. It is our responsibility to protect such a valuable hereditary wealth. Yoga is an art of living. In the Indian culture, 6 darsanas have very much importance. Yoga Shastra is one of them. Maharshi Patanjali studies Yoga Vidya scientifically and wrote Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Since then, yoga is called effective tool of purification of mind. We are born as human being. Do we know what is the specific objective of human life? What is the end target of our life? In the Patanjali's Yoga Shastra, Maharshi Patanjali has shown 8 angas of yoga which can be understood easily and accordingly. Yoga is known as Ashtanga Yoga. It is known as Ashtanga Yoga as it contains a collection of different 8 angas. The said 8 angas are known below. Start with the external yoga, means Bahiranga Yoga. Here we can see the Maharshi Patanjali has described Ashtanga Yoga from 29th Sutra of Sadhanpad to 3rd Sutra of Vibhutipad. In which first 5 angas are called as Bahiranga Yoga, means external yoga, while the rest 3 angas are known as internal yoga, means Antaranga Yoga. The 5 angas included in Bahiranga Yoga are very first Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam and Pratyahara. Here we can see Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar. There are 5 steps of Bahiranga Yoga. It is called a Bahiranga Yoga. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam and Pratyahar. It is also called a external part of yoga. Then the other 3 are, it is called a internal part, means Dhyan, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. It is also called a Antaranga Yoga. Start with Yam. The very first step of Yam is the first step of Ashtanga Yoga. Maharshi Patanjali has described in all 5 types of Yam as follows. The very first, here we can see non-violence, truth, non-stealing, brahmacharya, and last one is non-possession. Second step of Ashtanga Yoga means Bahiranga Yoga. Second step of Bahiranga Yoga is Niyam. The second step of Ashtanga Yoga of Maharishi Patanjali is Niyam. He has laid 5 niyams just like Yam as follows: purity, satisfaction, penance, swadhyay, and last one is contemplation. It is contemplation of God. The third part, asan. Maharishi Patanjali has shown asan as the third step in yoga. Asan is a Sanskrit word. The base is the root. Its general meaning is to sit or to attain some specific type of position. Here we can see the asan, types of asan. Asanas have effects on body and mind. Accordingly, there are 3 types of asanas: meditation asanas, health asanas, relaxation asanas. Meditation asanas, they are mainly Padmasana, Vajrasana, Bhadrasana and Swastikasana asan in a meditation asan. Second one is health asan. This includes mainly Uttan Padasan, Bhujanganasana, Halasan, Dhanurasan, Gaumukhasan, Pavan Muktasana, etc. etc. The last one is relaxation asan. These relaxation asanas, when done in the beginning or in between while practicing asan, can make the body free of stress. The main among them in Savasana, in the sleeping position on the back. Moreover, Makrasana, Balakasana, etc. all are included in them. It is also Savasana. The complementary asan is Sarvangasana, Halasan, Bhujanganasana, Paschimottanasana. Pranayam. Yam, Niyam, Asan, the fourth step of pranayam. Pranayam is the fourth and very important ang in Ashtanga Yoga. Pranayam means aram of pran. Pranayam is a word made by joining 2 words. Pran plus ayam is equal to pranayam. Pran means breath and ayam means to prolong it, or ayam also means control. In view of Yoga Shastra, breath is a bridge joining mind and body. Mind is reached through breath, hence the process of pranayam is very essential for purification of mind. Here we can see the form of pranayam. Pranayam can be distributed in 3 parts stage wise. Purak means inhaling, breath in. Kumbhak means hold the breath in body. And Rechak, exhale means releasing breath out. The types of pranayam. Maharishi Patanjali has not mentioned anywhere names for pranayam in Ashtanga Yoga. But according to standard grunts, mainly there are standard 8 types of pranayam like Surya Bedan pranayam, Ujjayi pranayam, Sitkari pranayam, Shitli pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam, Brahmani pranayam, Murcha pranayam, and 8 Plavavini pranayam. The ordinary person practice of Anulom Vilom pranayam also, Surya Bridhan pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam, and Brahmari pranayam. They are all doing in the Padmasana, Siddhasana, Savasana, Swastikasana. Benefit of pranayam, here we can see external and internal, all the impurities of body get removed. Longevity is achieved through pranayam, and etc. etc. Here we can see the last one is pratyahar. Pratyahar is the fifth limb of Ashtanga Yoga. It is called the gateway of internal yoga. Here we can see the table: 8 sense organs and food, eyes seeing visual, ear, nose, tongue, skin, viola. You can see all the 5 senses organ are inclined towards one's own ahar, means food. Pratyahara means to help them incline towards the opposite direction, means mind. Pratyahar is in the beginning psychological and then mental process only. This process is called pratyahar.